electronics. All about electronics.
Hey, hi friends, welcome to our channel Just Do Electronics. In this video I will show you how to make a laser versus security system and this IR sensor versus the security system. Suppose if any person cross this laser, the buzzer is the beeping and then GSM sending the text message to this mobile. See the IR sensor alert and the laser sensor alert.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow.
Okay, I will just explain the hardware of this project. In this hardware I making all this component in zero PCB. This is the front side view of the zero PCB and this is the back side view of the zero PCB. Okay, what I do, I just first mount this Arduino Nano board like this and 16:2 LCD display I mount it. Okay, this is the complete board. I am using this LDR sensor and I using this laser beam sensor. Okay, this laser is generated the laser beam to this LDR sensor, and if any laser beam is not coming to this LDR sensor, then the alert message generated and the GSM sending the text message. Okay, and I using this IR sensor to detecting to the any person, I mean the any person in gate or anywhere. Okay, and this GSM module I use GSM sim 900A and I use this I mean the idea sim. I just put this sim like this. This is the GSM sim slots. I just put this sim in this slot like this. Okay, and I just lock these slots. Okay, this is the interfacing this sim card. Okay, this is the small GSM sim 900A GSM module and I just given the power supply is 5 volt. I just given the power supply like this. Okay, and this is the RX and TX pin. Okay, this is the total hardware of this project. I mean the Arduino Nano microcontroller, 16:2 LCD display, one buzzer, one LED and the potentiometer to vary the brightness of this LCD, and I using the sim 900A GSM module. I using this LDR sensor and this IR sensor and this laser beam. Yeah, this is the total complete of this hardware of this. I will just explain the working of this project. I am using the laser security system and the IR security system. Suppose if any person cross the IR sensor, then IR sensor generated the alert, and then GSM sending the text message to this mobile. See, IR sensor alert. Okay, and 16:2 LCD display the alert message also. See, IR sensor alert. Okay, and this is the one security function. I use the another security function to laser light, this laser light. Okay, what I do, I just cross this, I just cross this laser beam. When I cross this laser beam, see, the laser beam I cross, the buzzer is the beeping and the red light indicate laser alert, and the 16:2 display the laser alert, laser alert message, and then GSM sending the text message to this mobile, laser sensor alert. First I cross this IR sensor, then GSM sending the text message, the IR sensor alert. Second, when I cross this laser beam, then the GSM sending the text message, laser sensor alert. Okay, this is the total working of this project. What I do, I just first turn off this light and I cross this laser light, and see, is the buzzer, when I cross this light, laser light, the buzzer is the beeping and red light indicate is the laser security alert, and then GSM sending the text message is the laser sensor alert. And if you cross this IR sensor, suppose you first you cross this laser light, and when you go to this IR sensor, suppose if I cross this IR sensor, then the IR sensor sending the alert, and this also sending the text message to the GSM module, IR sensor alert. See, okay, and then all the data show in this LCD, in 16:2 LCD. Suppose if I cross this IR sensor, see, the IR sensor is normal right now, IR sensor alert, and buzzer is the beeping, and then GSM sending the text message, IR sensor alert, IR sensor alert. Okay, this is the IR security system. I use this LDR sensor, that's why it's not turn off in very much light. That's why I just turn off this light and I cross this laser beam. When I cross this laser beam, the buzzer is the beeping and the 16:2 LCD display the laser alert, and then GSM sending the text message, laser sensor alert. Okay, I will show you again. Just I cross this laser light, buzzer is beeping, see, the GSM sending the text message, laser sensor alert. Okay, what I do, I just cross this IR sensor. When I cross this IR sensor,